We just created this ad completely with AI. Check it out because you could be creating ads for your business too without ever having to turn on a camera.
Got disc pain? Let me guess. You've tried inversion tables, ice packs, and heating pads.
You may also have gone through 3 chiropractors that are convinced you just need to be coming more regularly.
Or you've been taking so many pain pills you've lost count and now you feel numbed out from life.
You may also be thinking that the only option you have is to get back surgery and resort to setting off metal detectors for the rest of your life.
But there's a better way. It's called spinal decompression therapy with the DRX 9000. People who thought their only option was to get back surgery now have a non-surgical solution.
Spinal decompression therapy is FDA cleared and has already helped thousands of people who suffer from back pain, sciatica, or nerve pain.
There are no knives and no recovery time. Patients have said it's so comfortable, many have even fallen asleep while getting treatment.
And the best part is, your first treatment is complimentary. That's right, your first treatment is free, and we could even get you scheduled within just 1 week to try it out for yourself.
Click below to book your free appointment and leave the gimmicks in the trash. Come and see why more people are choosing decompression instead of surgery.
If you'd like to watch my free training on how to use AI to create ads for your company, or even if you're a newbie, how to get paid to create AI ads for other companies, just check the link, click here, and watch my free training.